Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So there's some strange stuff still going on in the skies of just New Jersey and all over the world, and it's pretty interesting. Some of this video footage people are capturing. I'm going to show you guys in this video two video clips. One's going to be taken from a plane flying over New Jersey, and you'll see something similar to what you're seeing here, but it's getting very interesting. There's something going on more than just drones out there. There's something else going on that they're not filling us in or letting us know about. So you guys put down the comments and put some links if you know about some of the things that are going on out here, because this is some amazing footage what you're seeing here. Now in this first video clip, it's going to be taken from an airplane, and what you're going to pay attention to is all these lights and stuff that you're going to be seeing. You can see the person zooming in and out of the airplane. You'll see several lights as they're zooming in and out, and then at one point you'll even see an luminous craft, or what seems to be a disc-shaped craft, and it's just to me, it's pretty interesting that people are capturing this stuff. So let me go ahead and let this play in just a minute, and you guys let me know what you think about it. So I'll let it play, and then I'll come back and I'll talk just a little bit. But this is right here is one of the objects you'll see towards the end of the video that they capture, and they zoom in and out, and you can see the airplane wing with this. So let me let this video play, and then I'll be back in just a minute. All right, so pretty amazing stuff. I kind of slowed it down here so you guys can take a look at this. This looks just like what people are seeing when they're on the ground and filming up. You see several lights here, and they're kind of just there. And I slowed this down so you guys that analyze it can see it a little bit better. But some of these videos like this right here just kind of blow my mind, because I never thought I'd see people taking this from an airplane and getting stuff this close. You see he's kind of zooming in and out, so he's got some good footage of this, and this was taken over New Jersey in a flight. And then of course he's kind of going down. You guys can see the light flashing from the airplane wing right there, and then you see that object there in the background, and there you see this there. Pretty amazing footage. I mean, some people are going to speculate and say that that's a planet or something like that. Well, where's the rest of everything else out there? And we've seen objects like this before, luminous objects that are floating in the sky or flying in the sky there, and there it is for the wing there. And then this one was interesting too. This is a triangular shape where it looks to be, as far as the three lights are around, and it's kind of blinking. So you see he's focusing in and out there. So there's no denying that there is something going on, and people are getting some great footage. So put down in the comments if you know anything about this or seen this before, and then let me know, and then we can kind of conversate from there. This last video clip is going to be even more interesting. I want you to pay close attention to when the guy zooms in on this. This was taken in Mexico, but when he zooms in, you can see like a distortion around the craft as it's just flying real slow. So let me go ahead and let this play, and then I'll be back in just a minute. So another interesting clip here. I mean, you can see some of that distortion around the craft. I don't think it's just from heat, but put down in the comments what you guys think about this. Of course, this looks somewhat saucer shaped, but it looks like there's an object falling behind or beside it too. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. I try to slow it down a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about with maybe a heat distortion or something around the craft. I know some of you guys have commented on things like that. You know a little bit more than I do. So like I said, I can't figure all this out on my own. I never will claim I will, but with you guys' help, I think together we can try to figure out what's going on. But this one was interesting, and so was the first clip, and I definitely wanted to show this to you guys to get some of your thoughts and opinions on it. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate you watching.